mahirap magkasakit. Kaya naman, kailangan natin ng iba yung pag-iingat. At para sa mga taong nagkakaedad na at sinasabing natural na lamang ang pagkakaroon ng rayuma, hindi kailangang tiisin ang sakit. Dahil may epektibong lunas naman para dito.
Kung kailan magpa-X-ray or yung mga imaging na studies, nandiyan naman lahat. X-ray and other imaging studies na ginagawa para ma-assess din yung structural damage. At saka yung structural damage pwedeng progressive, mahirap nang ibalik sa normal. Importante yan, ma-assess siya mabuti, yung pasyente, mabigyan ng diagnostic workup. To tell you the truth, we really don't know how rheumatoid arthritis really develops. Parang swerte-swertehan lang, nagkakaroon ka. Pero basically, it's most probably yung tinatawag na autoimmune disease. Baka may genetic predisposition tayo, nag-combine yung dalawa, ayan na, pumasok na. Ang isang makakatulong din dito is those who help in other ways, kamukha ng rehab, physical medicine. Dahil ang paggagamot dito sa rheumatoid arthritis, hindi basta lang gamot.
Para sa mga taong may nararamdaman ng mga simptomas na maaaring maging rayuma, ang payo natin ay kumonsulta kaagad kayo sa doktor. Importante na ma-differentiate kung anong klaseng rayuma yan kasi importante na matapatan ng lunas. Bawat klase ng rayuma, merong katapat na lunas. At importante rin na kayo'y uminom ng tamang gamot na ina-advise ng doktor.
The fight against dengue has found its way in the streets.
Well, it's a project to combat dengue, and dengue is such a big scourge in Southeast Asia, and particularly in Philippines, where over 400 people have died. So my foundation has taken this up as a cause, and I think it's a very good cause. It's an awareness campaign. As you can see, it's a ride against dengue. REAP is a project that we've launched, which effectively means reducing the larvae count, education, awareness, and protection. And so it's more awareness that people are aware that one bite of the dengue can give you dengue fever.
The Malaysian prince, who is the founder of Yayasan Tunku Nakiuddin Foundation, is responsible for the Stop Dengue mission, and Bite for Dengue is one of its major activities in the Philippines.
In behalf of Project REAP, a while ago I think His Royal Highness Tunku Nakiuddin mentioned about reducing, total reduction hopefully of mosquitoes that would carry dengue diseases, even malaria to some other places, and other diseases related to mosquito-borne viruses. And of course, we are also into education. Kaya ginagawa natin to, we're doing this for the public as well as the community to educate them, and at the same time raise the awareness of this threat of dengue. As we all know, the incidence of dengue cases in the country have risen up tremendously.
Bite for Dengue was led by concerned participants as they all together rode to send the message of dengue awareness.
This is the first time that it's a holistic program, that we have an information advocacy campaign. We also have the dengue mapping, which is the intervention by using the Intugenix tool to kill the larvae as well as mosquitoes. But most importantly, we have incorporated, in fact, a treatment and prevention program. It's a holistic program from advocacy, prevention, and at the same time, the feedback and awareness program. And that's what we basically do. So join us on Project REAP. Thank you.
Pare! Sir, ordering a po. Oh. Roast beef sandwich. Paborito mo. Touch ka ba?
Aramidi Alisingao is triamcinolone acetonide, instant singaw relief in just a few minutes.
Pare? Teka! Galit-galit na! Libre! Ganun ha? Akin na to, wala ka.
Memory loss, signs of aging, weak immune system. Sa bilis ng panahon, hindi mo namamalayang naaabuso na ang iyong katawan. Buti na lang may Circulant 4-in-1 with 4 herbs na tumutulong para sa overall good blood circulation. Ginkgo biloba that aids in enhancing memory and concentration. Lemon balm that helps normalize sleeping patterns. Garlic oil that helps strengthen the immune system. And hawthorn berry that helps promote youthful glow. Circulant helps you look and feel young. Circulant.
Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Lahat abot tanaw ng nag-iisang sabong show ng bayan. Sabong TV. Mula farms hanggang sabungan. Iisa ang sigaw ng bayan. Sabong TV. Sa bawat hatawan, sagupaan at tukaan, kami pa rin ang #1. Sabong TV. Robust enhances male potency. May 4 na ancient herbs na nagpapataas ng libido ng mga lalaki.
Astig.
Available in Mercury Drug and all leading drugstores nationwide.
There is no known cure for rheumatoid arthritis. The treatment optimally involves a combination of patient education, rest and exercise, joint protection, medications, and occasionally surgery. Sana po ay marami kayong natutunan sa episode nating ito tungkol sa rheumatoid arthritis. And until next week, this is Generation RX, your health and travel show that keeps you informed. Now signing off.